never feel the way I feel. You don't know if my love is real. Baby, listen to me, here's the deal. When you're not here, I'm not the same. I'm needing a new chapter, babe. Been stuck here in a bed for days. I've been staring at the telephone, cause when you're gone, I miss your face. 8 o'clock, body talk. There's no need to bring it up. Nothing you say makes it better.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time stopping by today, hi and welcome. So in today's video guys, I'm gonna be doing a deep cleaning. I'm gonna be washing my washing machine. It's way overdue guys. It's been so long since I last did that. Most of the time I just change the filters only. I haven't scrubbed it or wiped it in a very long time. As you saw guys, my glass says a lot about that, so we're gonna do that together. I hope you're gonna get some motivation out of it. After that, I'm gonna do a Mr. Price and a Mr. Price home and a pephome haul, so stay tuned for that and let's get started with the cleaning.
Later clock, body talk. There's no need to bring it up. Nothing you say makes it better. Wrecking ball, tear apart. Issues left behind, restart. Nothing you say makes it better. Bring it right back to me, baby. No, we've been here before. Give me the real this time, no cap, no lies. It's our own core. Bring it right back to me, baby. I know my heart wants more. Give me the good this time, no cap, no lies. It's our own core.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Oh, you and I, we got it. Oh, we don't need no more. Oh, even in the hard time, you and I can weather any storm. Before I sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon. Side by side and through. No limit to what we can do. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Oh, you and I, we got it. Oh, we don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm. not my fault. You've been lying, saying that I took away your peace. Drowning by yourself, now you're running away. Like you have no options.
I'm so happy, guys, about the outcome. It looks brand new. Everything is shiny. It smells so good, guys. Vinegar should be your best friend when it comes to any household chores. And the filters as well, they're so sparkling. Everything looks new, guys. I love how it turns out. I know some people, they forget to take out their filters and change them. This should be a reminder. Take it as a reminder that you need to wash your washing machine. So I'm gonna do my laundry feeling good and satisfied, no guiltiness or anything. It's only that I cannot show you how it is, guys. I'm really struggling filming this thing. So moving on, guys, we're gonna be doing a haul. This one is from Mr. Price Home and Pephome. So let's get right into the haul. I'm gonna start with the pep items. I've been looking for this. I don't know for how long, guys, but I've been looking for this. I checked even at Mr. Price. The ones that they had, they were very small and I didn't like them. Finally, I got this deco piece, guys. You can use it as a vase, or you can just put it by your table or side table or wherever you want to decorate with this thing. It's so pretty, guys. The texture, I love it. It's not like that brilliant white, it's in between. You see some little details. I don't know if the camera is picking in, but I love it, guys. For 99 rand. I'm hoping the baby won't break my things because he's into that phase of pulling stuff and breaking things and whatever. So this is another one. I love it, guys. I cannot wait to style my, I don't know if I'm gonna put it by my console or by the dining room table. I'll see, guys, but I love them. This was also 99.99. If you can check on Pinterest, guys, for some inspiration on how you wanna use these things. And I bought these, I think it's a 45 by 45 centimeter scatter cushion. Another design over here. So this is how it looks, guys. It's also 40 by 40. The little guy is playing right over there. He's enjoying himself, busy, doing his stuff there. So I have two of these ones. These are going in my bedroom. So these two, oh, it was 50, let me see, oh yes, 54.99. and some fitted sheet for a queen bed. This one is in gray for 89.99. and another one for 89.99 as well. This one is in light gray and it's 100% polyester. I think I'm gonna put my oil vinegar, next to my stove over there. I'll see how it is, but I think that's how I'm gonna use this. And I love the natural hood. I'm slowly sneaking in some natural tones in my kitchen. Is the goal with this duvet cover. This was 499.99 and it's 100% cotton. It's 100% cotton and it's for a queen bed as well. So this is, I'm gonna pair it with this one. Hey mister, stop pulling my tripod. Yeah, go play. Oh my gosh, it's a struggle, guys. This man is busy pulling things here. Let me try and make it fast before he breaks my things. And this one as well, queen size. This one is 52% polyester and 48% cotton. This was 329.99, also from Pephome. That's how it looks over there. Cutter cushion covers, they are going with this duvet cover. I do have a blue sheet as well, so that is why I did not buy. And lastly, from my paper items, the base wrap. I'm just hoping it's gonna fit because my bed is very big, and I was so scared of taking the queen because the king, I mean, thinking it was gonna be extremely huge. So that's the base cover from Pep. It's in 50% polyester and 48% cotton, and it was 129.99. So that is it, guys, from the Pep. Let's move over to the Misty Price stuff. So from Misty Price, I didn't buy a lot of things. I was actually looking for the scatter cushion covers. I'm trying to change the theme and all that in my living room. So I was looking for something different, floral and different. I think you've seen in my other living room cleaning video that I've changed my dining room suit. So I'm trying to look for things that can match around. So these are the things from Misty Price Home, guys. I love Misty Price Home. I love Pephome. So these are my two shops that I buy most of my decor pieces for my house. And I'm gonna start with the canisters. So these were going for, it's marked down, it's 49 marked down, it's 49.99. It seems like the original price was 59.99. This, I think I'm gonna throw in some snacks for the kids, you know, something small, maybe sweets, biscuits. I'll see how I'm gonna use this. So I have 4 of them. I think one of these ones I'm gonna put some tea bags, and then here I'll see how it goes, guys. I'll see how it goes. These are the tones that I'm going for in my pantry. Glass jars with any wooden lid. So I'm slowly transitioning. I've changed a few because I had the ones that had silver lids. I cannot buy all at once because I think I still need 10 more. So that will cost me a lot of money. So that is why, like these, when I saw these ones, I just took them because I knew I needed these and they were on special. They came at the right time. So I have 4 of these ones. And right over here I have 4 coasters in bamboo material. I'm, like I said, guys, I'm slowly sneaking in some natural tones in my kitchen or living room. So this came at the perfect time. They were going for 49.99. Not so sure about the original price. I love that they are attached here, so there's no way you're gonna lose these ones. Moving right over there. So this was the main reason I went to Misty Price. I wanted some cushion covers. So right now I'm going for this type of blue for my sofas, for couches. So these are 2 different patterns, but I love them, guys. It's only that they were only left with these 2 ones, and they come as a pack. Love this, guys. I love it. It's unfortunate that this was the last pack, but it's not a problem because I'll see how I can manage to decorate with these ones. So they come with this other one with the stripes and all that, and they are in 45 by 45 centimeters. I was gonna be happy if I managed to get them in 50 by 50. And I have these ones over here. They are in 50 by 50 centimeter. I love it, guys. I cannot wait. I can't wait to start using these cutter cushion covers. So I have 2 of these ones. This will go on my big couch, and then this one will go on my 3-seater couch. So that is it, guys. I'll see how I'll pair this, but I think I'll add in a little bit of mustard cushions, and the cream, I'll see. I think I'll throw in cream and mustard scatter cushion. So that is it for the haul, guys. I hope you love the things that I bought. I'm so happy, guys, especially for those 2 items. That is it, guys, from the haul. I love all the items that I bought, and I cannot wait to start using them, especially these in my bedroom. And this as well, because I've been looking for this, I don't know for how long, guys. I've been checking everywhere, I cannot find it. So that is it, guys, from the home.
It's not my fault. You've been lying, saying that I took away your drowning by yourself. Now you wanna blame me, like you had no options. I ain't taking options. Now I'm not the problem, man, that's on you. You've been terrorizing me, yeah, I'm always wrong. You lost your mind when you dropped that bomb. Girl, are you crazy? Yeah, you must be crazy. I've been thinking lately, it's you. You stole your peace, put it on me, but baby, it's you. Lying like a rat, but take your stuff back. Baby, it's you.